direct messages, I think you need to build the relationship with the person more first. As in, thanks for sharing that. Which part of the tip helped you? What are you struggling with?
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Like, oh, thanks. Yeah, I've worked hard to get to my 8 hours sleep. It's made all the difference in my life. How many hours sleep do you get? When they come back to you and say 3, you're like, just, wow, that's, that's something I really overcome. I'm sorry to hear that. I remember what it was like as well. This is something I work with clients on if you ever want to have a chat about it. Not so direct, like if you want to work with me one-on-one, or, it may just be the way you're sharing with me now, but it may be coming across a bit hard too quick.
Yeah.
Now, I know people who do that straight off and it works, but it also comes down to our personality style. And if that's not in, full alignment for you, it might be some more nurturing. One of my clients who used to do this really well would, for example, literally sit there and say, thank you, Pam, for sharing that. Like, how many hours sleep are you getting? What would you like for me to help with that? And Pam would say, I'd love some evening tips. And this girl would go away and make a video that day on the evening tips, go back, tag Pam, and tag others and say, one of our beautiful ladies in the community today was asking about evening tips. I shared some here. We'll talk about overgiving in a moment, because you're probably going, that's totally overgiving. Not necessarily. It's staying connected and real with this person's problem. It's like if you just came across me today, you sent me a message like, wow, Amanda, thank you so much. That training was really helpful. And I was like, thank you so much for sharing that. If you want to work one-on-one with me, here's my book and call. That's it. It's a little too, it's, in my opinion, probably too quick and too harsh. So, and you'll find out. So really looking for their pain points, really understanding people are in pain. They are in pain and they are watching this, looking for that inspiration. So I think your direct messages, I don't want to say soften them as much as just go a bit deeper in them first. Get the info, and it's your opportunity to find out some stuff from people. What are they really struggling with? What do they really want? Get that before you even get on a call. This coaching corner was a snippet of a laser coaching session in my Upswing Mastermind program, the ultimate 6-month business experience where I support new health coaches to build their clients' cash flow and confidence. To help you get started right away with your own health coaching business, I've put together a free Healthy Wealthy Biz ebook. This is packed with 10 case studies of wellness entrepreneurs who made a great living in their first 6 to 12 months in business. Download the ebook now for expert marketing tips and to find out how they did it so you can do the same. I've dropped the link below this video. If you found this Coaching Corner video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts and takeaways. Thanks so much for watching this episode, beautiful. I will see you next time.